Let's start. Today we will see how to find out the number of employees in a company using the TradingView Pine script. Let's see the code. This is an indicator function with the name, find out the number of employees in a company. First of all, we call the request.financial function. Here the first argument is the current stock name. The second argument is the number of employees constant expression. And the third value is the financial year argument. Once we get the number of employees, we find if the number has increased or decreased as compared to its previous value. If the number of employees has risen by a company, we assign a green color. Else we assign a red color. And finally, we plot this number in the form of a line. The line style is set to step line diamond, which is one of the newest line styles introduced by the TradingView, and which looks really nice. And we assign the calculated color to this line. Let's add this indicator to the chart. This is Amazon's monthly chart. As you can see, Amazon has increasingly hired people in the company, except in the last financial year, when they let go of some of the employees. That's why the last part is red in color. This is Facebook Meta's employee numbers. They also have let go of many people this year, which might reflect on the chart as the financial year changes ahead. This is WWE's chart. They have been hiring and firing employees recently. This is Apple's employee number data, ever increasing. And this is Deutsche Bank employee data. They are having a rough time, as we all know. This is the Bank of America's employee number representation. So that's it. That's how you can find the number of employees in a company, using the TradingView Pine script. Thank you.